friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect ptron smartwatch audio on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, here just scroll on the down and click on Bluetooth and devices. After you have been click on Bluetooth and devices, turn on this Bluetooth. After you have been turned on, just click on the middle of the Bluetooth. When you turn on, here is the ptron audio. Okay, just move on setting of the ptron audio. When you move on setting of the ptron audio, here is the disconnect option, here is the forget option. If you want to disconnect, just click on disconnect, but it will not be much disconnect. It's disconnect, okay, but it's better you just click on forget option. If you want to forget it, like you don't want to connect it, okay, you want to disconnect it, you can disconnect. If you want to forget also, you can forget device, it will forget it. If you want to disconnect, you can disconnect it. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.